Hello and welcome to the course. So before we start coding, let's take a look at the project that we will create. So we'll create an image marketplace where users can buy and sell images. So once the user is on the home page, so he can browse images. He can filter by category, and you can filter also by extension, and you can filter also by price. You can go back to all images. You can find an image by title, and here is the result. So you can also view an image. So here we have the title, how many reviews, the average rating, category, description, upload date, we have the price, we have the size, we have also the extension, we can add it to our cart, we have the photographer, we have how many images the photographer has, also how many downloads this image has, and also the reviews, and we have here 3 reviews. Also we can add image to our wish list. If we move to the wish list, so here we can remove it from our wish list or view it again. We can add it to our cart, and we can move to the cart. So here we have the image, we have the total, we can continue shopping or move to the checkout. And to move to checkout, so the user needs to be registered and logged in. So let's create an account. Account created successfully. So let's log in, submit, and logged in successfully. So let's move to our cart. So here we have our image. So now we can move to the checkout. So let's click on checkout. So we'll be redirected to the Stripe checkout form. So there we can pay orders. Here inside our Stripe checkout form, so we have the total amount to pay, we have the name of our marketplace. So here we can provide our email, the test card, and also the date, the security code, and name. And we can pay our orders. And once paid, so we are redirected to success page. We have the payment is done successfully. Check your profile to download images. So we can move to our profile. We have the user information. We have the purchases. So here is the image that I have purchased. So I can download it. Also, we have the images. So I did not upload any image. We have the earnings. So I don't have any earnings. If I have earnings, I can withdraw them to my PayPal account using my PayPal email. And also, I don't have any withdrawals. So let's go back to our home page. So this is the image that I purchased. So if we move down, so now I can give it a review. And let's give it a rating and submit. And your review has been added and pending approval. So we'll display only the approved reviews by our admin. Also, I can switch to seller because when we create our account, so the default role is buyer. So we can switch to seller from here. And once we switch to seller, so now we can upload our images. So let's drag and drop an image. So here is my image. I can give it a title and also a description. and category and price and submit. And once submitted, so the image needs to be approved by the admin. So we'll display only the approved images. So if we go to our profile, so here we have the images. So this is the image. We can update it from here if we want to update the title, and also we can update the price if we want to update the price. And price is updated. So to approve the images, let's go to our admin dashboard. So here we have the dashboard, we have images, users, reviews, purchases, earnings, and commissions. So the earnings are the user earnings, and commissions are our parts, which is the parts of the platform. So the users will take 70% of the earnings, and the platform will take 30% of the earnings. So here we have the categories. The admin can add, update, and delete a category. We have images, so the admin can approve or reject an image. So we can approve this image. And once the image is approved, so if we refresh here inside our profile, so here we have image approved. And if we move to the home page, so we can find the image here. Also, we have the purchases, so the admin can view the purchases. And we have also the users, so the admin can view and delete users. And we have also the reviews, so the admin can view and approve and reject and delete reviews. So let's approve this review. So now our review has been approved. If we go to the image that we have purchased, so here is our reviews. So from here I can update or delete the review if I want to delete it. Also, we have here the withdrawals, so the admin can approve or reject a withdrawal request. So this is the projects that we will create. So please, before you enroll, so read the requirements carefully. And if you feel that you meet the requirements, so see you in the next lecture.